beef, it's 80-20. And make bigger ones for myself. They're gonna fill these with. Making little snowballs with ground beef. So I'm gonna smash them a little bit right now so I can put the seasoning on there and then put it in the fridge while I make my sauce. Just a little bit so I can get the seasoning in. Starting out with salt.
Too much.
Okay, pepper.
I don't see it. I don't see it, Mom.
So I'm gonna add some barbecue seasoning to it. It already has salt on it, so I'm not gonna do too much. And then garlic powder. So I'm gonna smash in the seasoning into the beef. And since I put so much on one side, I'm not gonna season the other side. I'm gonna start my sauce with mayo, some hot sauce, mustard, jalapenos, and pickles.
Good.
Okay. Mayo first. So a little bit more mustard. Spicy sauce. I'm gonna do one jalapeno. To make the sauce not too spicy, I'm gonna get rid of some of the seeds in the jalapenos.
Little cucumbers, little pickles, so cute. Yes, Cupid. That's not gonna piss off. sandwich.
Mix this up and see if we need to add anything else. Turned out to be a little too chunky, but should be okay. So I'm gonna try and see how it turned out. It's not bad. So I'm gonna start with an onion to put on my patties. And I'm gonna try to slice it here to make it super thin. And we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna try slicing the whole thing so it doesn't delaminate and fall apart. See how it's turning out. It's not too bad, but not as appealing, but it's as thin as I wanted it to be. So I'm gonna slice up a tomato as a topping.
There's juice in there.
To be sharpened again. So these are kind of watery because I got organic tomatoes. I'm gonna do some purple onion as a topping as well. So I'm gonna add some salt to the tomatoes to bring out the flavor. So we're gonna toast the buns. So first one down. Smash a little bit. Add some onions. And then I don't have a burger smasher, so I'm gonna use a fan. Maybe a minute and a half. So it's been a minute and a half. I think I'm gonna flip it. It looks good. So a minute and a half is enough. So when the other side is cooking, I'm gonna add some sauce to the bottom. So I'm gonna put some Colby Jack cheese. All right, so it's ready to be taken off the pan. So it turned out to be perfect size. So we got a second one going in. Smash it a little bit. Add some onions. Putting the cheese on there. Looks like this one's ready. And I'm going to build a double decker of mine. And I also put sauce on both of my buns. So next I'm going to put a slice of tomato, maybe on this side. Some onion rings. Put some lettuce on top. Smash it down even more. And then here goes the top bun. So we're gonna cut it open and see how it turned out. Here's the finished product. I'm gonna squeeze it. Let's try it out. Let's try this out. Probably the best burger I've ever had. I'm serious. So that burger was so delicious, I have to make another one. So we're gonna go ahead with the meatball, just a little bit. Not all the way. Add some onions to it. Push it all the way down. Start a timer. So first patty is done. There goes the next one. It's ready to flip. And a piece of cheese on top. It's a double, 2 cheese, 2 patties. Okay, last patty coming off. So I'm gonna put some lettuce on this one so it kind of sticks to the sauce. Hopefully, and then tomato, so it squeezes it together. Put some onions. And then, I guess we'll try to throw it on top. Looks good. I'm trying to wrap it. And look at that. Beautiful. Take last one bite for you guys. Let's try it out. This burger is so delicious. I think the onions make it really good inside the patty as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. Appreciate it. See you in the next one.